Namaskara. This is a drumbeat video on the Agalla model. As you know, we have been going through these drum beats for the various modal words, which we had summarized in one of the videos. So you can look at the modal summary. And here I'm drum beating the Agalla. Okay. So basically, what is Agalla? Agalla is used for saying cannot, an inability to do something, but specifically in the future or the habitual future. So what is habitual future? Habitual future is what you think, what you normally do habitually. For example, every day in the morning I go for jogging. That's a habitual action. Every day in the morning I go to office at 9 a.m. All these are habitual futures. For that also you will use Agalla. And Agalla has to specifically be used for something that you cannot do in the future. Okay, you are rejecting somebody's offer, which is always in the future. So there you can use Agalla. And just by saying Agalla means cannot. Okay, Agalla comes after the main verb, just like in other modals, and the main verb has to be in the infinitive mode. Okay, example, ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot do that work. Literally, by me, that work to do cannot. That's a literal translation. By me is ನನ್ನಿಂದ. That work is ಆ ಕೆಲಸ. ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ is the infinitive mode. To do. ಆಗಲ್ಲ, cannot. And in spoken Kannada, it will become ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I will not be able to do that work is the exact, because you're trying to say that you cannot do it in the future. Agta illa means I cannot do it right now. Okay, I'm not able to do it right now. That's agta illa. Agalla means I will not be able to do. Okay, so it is the same for all three person: first person, second person, third person, singular, plural, masculine, feminine, and neuter. There is no change. Okay, so like other the agta illa, agalla can be just replacing the agta illa in all sentences to indicate that you cannot do something in the future. And like agta illa, you can replace the nannинದ with ನಾನು or ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ is also fine, but it is not so perfect. ನನಗೆ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ is also fine, but not so perfect. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ is the normal usage. And in some very casual cases, ಆಗಲ್ಲ and ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ can be interchanged. Okay, ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ and ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ can be interchanged. So, but strictly, ಆಗಲ್ಲ is used for future tense and habitual future tense. ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ is used for present, currently happening thing. Okay. Example, ನಾಳೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, because you're saying ನಾಳೆ, tomorrow. You cannot see the officer tomorrow. Okay, let's start the drum beat. ಮಾಡು, ನಾಳೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, cannot do cooking tomorrow. ನೋಡು, ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾಡಿದ್ದು means day after tomorrow. Cannot see the officer day after tomorrow. ಹೇಳು, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವಾರಸ್ಯ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ cannot tell interesting stories hereafter. So you could see in ಆಗಲ್ಲ, I'm purposely putting words that indicate things happening in the future. ಕೇಳು, ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಬಿಡುಪು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. cannot ask one day leave tomorrow. Then ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So here ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, right? I cannot hear your voice. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, right? So here you are trying to say that you will not be able to hear the person's voice, right? Which is like, say, in the evening, right? I will not be able to hear your voice, okay? Because my phone has, there is no battery in my phone, like that, or my battery is dead in my phone. So here, nannинದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ, nannинದ is actually optional. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, meaning I will not be able to hear your voice. You are going to sing in the evening, and I will not be able to hear because I cannot come to that function. That kind of context, since you have not mentioned Sanjay or whatever. So maybe you can put Sanjay ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot hear your voice in the evening. Then nade becomes nadi. Sanjay 10 kilometer nadiyakkaagalla. Cannot walk 10 kilometers in the evening. Maybe I can walk in the morning, but not in the evening. So ಸಂಜೆ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಡೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆ becomes ಕರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನ ಕರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Tonight cannot call father. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ. Then ಕುಡಿ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot drink hot water every day. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ. Then ಹಿಡಿ. ಸಂಜೆ ಬಸ್ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot catch the bus in the evening. Or cannot catch the evening bus. ಸಂಜೆ bus. Okay, ಸಂಜೆ means evening. Then ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಛತ್ರಿ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot hold your umbrella always. I am not your slave or something that I cannot be holding your umbrella all the time. ಕಾ becomes ಕಾಯು. Then ನನ್ನಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot wait for a long time. ಸಾ becomes ಸಾಯು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಸಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Everyone cannot die happily. Then ಇರು. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot be in one place. Right? ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಒರೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ is also fine. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Right? Is also fine. Then ಕಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot learn cricket. Then ಆಗು. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot become an engineer. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Then ಹೋಗು. ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot go to ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ tomorrow. Then ಬರು. ಸಂಜೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot come early in the evening. ತಿನ್ನು. ತಡವಾಗಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot eat breakfast late. ತಡವಾಗಿ means late. Okay, tada means late. So tadavagi. So you have to add agi here because you are saying that you cannot eat breakfast lately, or that is what it literally means. But you cannot say tada tindi tinnakagala. It won't be correct, right? So tada you have to put agi. Tadavagi. Okay, tadavagi tindi tinnakagala. ಸಿಗು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot meet him all the time. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ always. Then ಕೊಡು. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot give money next week. ನಗು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot laugh for all your jokes, or cannot laugh for your jokes. ಹಾಸ್ಯಗಳು means jokes. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ನಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot laugh for all your jokes. ಅಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot cry in front of everyone. Then ಅನ್ನು. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot say anything about this. Sorry, not ಇನ್ನು, ಏನು. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನು. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ means I don't have anything to say about this. ಏನು ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಏನು ಅಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot assume anything. Okay, ಏನು ಅಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ because he said something very confusing. You cannot assume anything. ಏನು ಅಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅನಿಸು. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನೋವು ಅನಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot feel the pain. Okay, then ತಗೊಳ್ಳು. ಅವರಿಂದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. He cannot take the ticket. Okay, then ಹಾಕು. ಸಂಜೆ ದೀಪ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot put on the light in the evening. Then ಇಡು. ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯನ್ನ ಇಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot keep the box. Then ಕಳಿಸು. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಪತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I cannot send the letter. ತರು. ಸಂಜೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Cannot bring the sugar in the evening. ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳು. ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಮನೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot buy the house. ಮಲಗು. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬೇಗನೆ ಮಲಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot sleep early. Now this ಆಗಲ್ಲ, you usually say it only when you are using a word that refers future tense. Sanjay deepa hakakagalla, which makes it very clear that you won't be able to, so you cannot put on the light in the evening. Maybe you are busy, you cannot switch on the light in the house, right? Or you will not come home early. So that is where you will use agalla. So just remember one thing, agalla, when you're using, most of the time you will also use a word indicating future. Okay, say for example, take this example, ಅವರಿಂದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Here ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ is also fine. He is not able to take the ticket. He cannot take the ticket is also fine. But here if you want to say use ಆಗಲ್ಲ, then you can say ಸಂಜೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Something that is in the future. ನಾಳೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ನಾಳೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ because he is busy tomorrow. Maybe he can take the ticket, he can buy the ticket today. He can go and buy the ticket today. Today he is free. Tomorrow he cannot go. So in those places you have to use agalla, right? If you are talking about something which is in the present tense, use ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is all I'm trying to say with this drum beat. Okay. Okay. So that was the last slide. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.